Email Octopus Email Marketing Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Email Octopus are in the description below. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience with Email Octopus, a user-friendly and cost-effective email marketing tool designed for small businesses, startups, and nonprofits. It's a great option if you're looking to keep your email campaigns simple yet effective without breaking the bank. One of Email Octopus's key features is its easy-to-use interface. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, the platform is intuitive, making it easy to create and manage email campaigns. The drag-and-drop email editor allows you to design attractive emails quickly, even without any coding experience. The platform also offers pre-designed templates to help speed up the process, so you can get your campaigns up and running in no time. Another standout feature is list management. Email Octopus allows you to segment your audience based on behavior, location, or any other custom tags you create. This segmentation enables you to send personalized, targeted emails that drive higher engagement and conversions. The tool also integrates seamlessly with Amazon SES, which helps to scale your email sending with better deliverability and lower costs. When it comes to automation, Email Octopus offers a straightforward solution for creating automated workflows. You can set up automated email sequences triggered by user actions, like subscribing to your list or clicking a link in your email. This is ideal for nurturing leads and keeping your audience engaged over time. For reporting and analytics, Email Octopus gives you key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and bounce rates to measure the performance of your campaigns. This data is essential for optimizing your strategy and improving results over time. Finally, Email Octopus's affordable pricing structure makes it a great choice for small businesses on a budget. With its powerful features and simplicity, it's an excellent solution for anyone looking to start or grow their email marketing efforts without the complexity of more expensive tools. Check the description below for more details and links.